Second one,
Six side.
Put my camera on just in case.
Lewis,
What?
are you able to ask someone at Dem Master though if there's going to be any more time things?
There won't be.
Huh?
There won't be. Just pause the video. I just pause the video with the pause button, and I can start it again when the next siren goes. And I can start it again when the buzzer goes.
One, 20, 18, 19, 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Stand by for possible blowdown, triple style. Boom, boom, boom. Hopefully. I heard test blasts have blown up already. Alright, Mr.
How long is between trespassing and closing?
30 seconds apparently.
Test blast.
It's too noisy.
I'm going 21st down, 16, 19.
He's on.
Maybe it's a false alarm. Probably just a false alarm.
Oh, that's
Any
good.
minutes is that? It's the first class. Frankie Boyle.
I think you're dad. You're Stephen's dad. Nah, it's just
I just played dramatic music just to...
It's not really dramatic, it's supposed to be made of some sort of like...
There's a klaxon.
5 seconds?
That means it's 5 minutes. You want to listen to it? No.
Listen,
If
just
you
5
stay in the
seconds.
phone, you'd hear it.
Aye,
The klaxon means there's 5 minutes.
Sick.
How long?
5 or 3 minutes.
Minutes? Will they do another one then?
test blast.
Aye. Right. I'll phone you. I think they do another horn. What you do is stay by your phone and I'll phone you when they do the other horn and just answer.
Klaxon has
Right.
stopped.
Okay, right. Go to who then?
Oh, I've got a pole in front of me
Aye.
now.
What's the lamppost ever done to you?
I know. That's the elite
I need
alone.
the toilet now. I said, well, the klaxons went. You've got 5 minutes.
Kelly, you want to try to get one?
Aye, essentially.
Wonderful.
Keep the dust down a bit. Well, a small bit.
Is it 5 minutes, Louis?
Now the klaxon must be towards the cemetery, or something like the other side. More sights may be louder. Although we should hear in the video as well, so it's more sound. 30 seconds. Oh, 30 seconds. 29.
26, 25, 24, 23, 32, 25, 20, 19, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom!
Hello, I think it's just going to go
I
this
said
way.
boom, not stay where you
Whoa!
Phoebe's ran away.
Unadjusted.
Well, apart from the one that's come down with the high reach.
Aye, it's the safety and usual blast, 3 too quickly all at the same time.
No, but I was going to say, I don't know if my video saved or not. I was about to press the stop button, but oh, fuck.
And the bang wasn't that loud, wasn't it really? You get used to it. It's just like a vibration.
Oh, awesome!
We're not getting the dust.
We had a wee bit, but it's not that bad.
I think my video's not saved. This. I think the video's not saved. I've already just started just before I managed to press stop.
Oh, I hate when that happens. I always need to be something complicated to know you.
Actually, it's because I waited a bit too much time. I could have stopped it as soon as it. Yeah. Oh god.
So what, 40 on it, so?
Here's hoping it's saved. Here's hoping. Fingers crossed. I'll still be shaky purely because of that. Not